A missed call is often ignored until it's too late. By the time you call back, the customer has already moved on to someone else. TextBridge AI fixes this by detecting a missed call and sending an instant text reply. This keeps the conversation open immediately. Here's what happens. Someone calls your business. You can't answer, you're on another call, on site, or in a meeting. The call goes to voicemail. Most callers don't leave a message. They just move on. But with TextBridge AI, something different happens. The moment the call ends, the system sends an automated text. Hey, just missed your call. I'm on a job right now. What can I help you with? Now the conversation has started. They reply with their question. And when you're free, you respond. But you didn't lose them to silence. By moving the conversation from a missed call to a text thread, you capture the lead before they search for someone else. This is how you recover lost opportunities and turn missed calls into booked jobs. Right finger book your free AI business audit, link in bio.